I'm driving down the street, and all of a sudden, I look up, and this is what I see. What's going on, fellas? Why is your fishing pole bigger than you?
This is dog. That have white. That have gray.
It was a dog.
Yeah, that's this house.
Oh, they got out of that house.
That house.
Uh-huh.
That have no.
She said they just came and got this dog.
But Dubug, what are you doing?
I fishing.
Oh, okay.
I fishing on the lake.
You fishing in the lake? Well, reel it in. Well, reel it in, grandson. I brought you some lunch.
Well, you buy me lunch.
Yeah.
That's cool. You buy me back. Okay, cool. You gave me lunch. Well, I did, Papa.
You did it. You did wonderful.